Today we will learn what is Quora, how to create your profile on Quora, how to ask questions and write effective answers, how to create quality backlinks, how to use Quora for marketing, Quora features, followers, space, upvotes, share, request count, and more. Quora Partner Program. Advantages of Quora: gain knowledge, earn money, direct traffic. So let's do practical.
So first open the browser and log into Quora. So we need to create our account first. Creating a profile on Quora, it is very easy. Once again, let me just inform you, Quora, it is a place to share knowledge and better understand the world. So you have two options: continue with Google, continue with Facebook. So I will choose the first option and I'll choose my ID over here and I will create my account. Once the account is created, Quora will ask you what are your interests. Now based on this interest, you will receive your daily feeds. You will get your questions based on this interest and topics which you select. So I will select technology, movies, health, food. Now we are into digital marketing, advertising and services. So I'll select marketing and let's say innovation, mobile technology, smartphones, future of technology, computers, fitness. So you have to select 10 interest and here you go: web marketing, digital marketing, social media marketing, advertising and advertisements, marketing strategy, online marketing, and hit next. Now, spaces are communities created around shared interest. Earlier, spaces were the blogs which we were supposed to submit our content. Now, Quora, it had changed her interface or his interface, you can say, and now it is spaces. So let me select few spaces and few interest. Okay, here I go. So YouTube marketing, advertisement and brands. So total 5 spaces you have to select. I'll go here, I'll express your ideas. I'll select digital marketing, this is digital marketing, and done. Now your profile is created on Quora, which is very simple, easy step, which I have just shown. Now on the right side, you can see follow 2 more topics, upvote 5 more answers, ask a question, add 3 credentials, and answer a question. We'll see to it one by one. So first, you have to select 2 more topics. We'll quickly do that. So here I go: science, business, design, done. It is completed. I'll just refresh it. Give me a moment. Perfect. Now ask a question. You can ask it from here. On the right hand side, you can also see there's an option. So let me just hit on the same. Now you have to ask your question. So let me just type: how do I get digital marketing clients in 2020 in Navi Mumbai? Okay, you can ask any question you want. If the question is already there on Quora, it will show you right away. If not, you can just hit on add question and it will give you a suggestion based on the grammar. I'll hit on ask suggestion. Now it will ask you to select the topic so that these people will go ahead and will answer your question. So you have to select 25 people. So these are your topics. So you want people from Navi Mumbai to answer this, or if you want people from digital marketing domain to answer this. So what I'll do is I'll select digital marketing institutes and let me select 25 people. So every day the limit is 25. So tomorrow I can again come to the same question and I can ask more 25 people if I'm not satisfied with the answer. You can also put down your website link along with your question, but I would recommend not to add the links in the beginning. First create your profile, first build your profile and then start putting the links. So it's done, I hit done. Perfect, and there you go. You can see my very first question which says how do I get digital marketing clients in 2020 in Navi Mumbai. It is done. Now I have to answer a question and I have to add 3 credentials. Also I have to upvote. Upvote is if you like the answer. For example, this is the question, what are the last 10 pictures in your camera roll, and this is the answer. So if you think like this answer is good, you can simply check out the entire answer, and if you think like this is good answer, you can hit on upvote. So if I hit on upvote, the person will get the upvote. Same way you can comment. If you don't like the answer, you can hit on downvote answer, or if you don't like the question, you can hit on downvote question. Straight away you can report Quora stating if this particular question is not under the community guidelines, or if you think it is not good, you can report the same. Now on the right hand top you can see the profile icon. I want you guys to hit on that. From here you will see more options like settings. I want you to hit on your profile name so that we will first complete our profile. So this is profile. If anybody visit your Quora profile, he will see this. So I want you to add this complete profile. Let me just go ahead and add the description. I've already copied the description. I'll paste it right away. Now how to add the links? You have to select the word and here you will see the link. You need to hit on the link and you can simply add the link. http:// I'll write digitaljokes.com and I will add it. And if I want to make it bold, I can make it bold. So simply update. So if anybody is visiting my profile and if he is hitting on Digital Yokes, he will directly redirect it to our website, which is digitalyokes.com. Yes, perfect. Now I will go ahead and I will add my location. You have to make sure you have to fill all the information. You have to create your profile first. So select Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. I live here and I will hit on save, and it is saved. Educational credential, I write University of Mumbai. Okay, right, I will type A. Okay, here you go. Degree type marketing, and if you have other thing you can save it. Perfect. And employment position, you can just write advertising and marketing, or expert, or SEO expert based on your company and organization. Yokes. Just write one word. I'll create the topic so you can follow me here. I quickly work here, hit save. So I've created my credentials. Credentials are those which will appear on your answers when you answer it. So it's done. I'll just refresh my profile and you can see it's completed now. I have my profile picture, I have my name, I have my description, everything. You can add profile credentials, advertising and marketing, and I'll hit save. Perfect. So once again you can hit on this and let's update. So I'll go to home and we'll answer one question right away. What is your question? Okay, answer. So engineering from Mumbai University, worth it? You can answer it. Let me just go and select the topics. No. So you have to check the answer, or you can search it from here, like based on our thing, digital marketing. You can search specific topic. What exactly is digital marketing? What are good ways to earn? To learn to become a best digital marketer. You can select the topics from here. Alright? And you can answer them. You can create a backlinks. Quora can be used for marketing, as once you create a backlink, you'll get a lot of traffic. You can rank your keywords. Let me just go ahead to profile, anyone's profile. So let's say I go to profile, Devesh Yedlekar, and I can go and check his followers. So, and if I think people from my place, from my domain is there, okay, I can follow them straight away. So they're from SEO executive, okay, I can follow them. So you can find the people and you can follow them straight away. So let's say 5 to 10 people, I'll follow it, right? And you can go to your profile and you can see here, follow it. You just follow the people and you can see their list over here. It's very simple. Click on your profile picture and this is your profile. So here the answers which you will give will appear here. The questions which you will ask will appear here. If you share any answer, it will appear here. Your post, your followers, people who are following you. You can go to more, so you can go to edits and you can edit your questions, you can edit your answers anytime. Now the Quora partner program, it is only by invitation, where you can earn money once Quora invite you based on your questions, based on your answers. Quora will give you money. The more good answer, influencing answers you give, the more content views Quora gets. Quora will pay you accordingly, right? So that's it from Quora. You have to practice more, you have to answer more, you have to ask several questions, and that's how you generate traffic to your website. I hope you have understood everything. If not, you can comment me and I'll definitely revert you back. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.